Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. It is 12:09 and I just got back from a really nice night out at Bolivar and it is time to do my nighttime routine. But this isn't any old skincare routine. This isn't just a wash, moisturize and go to bed routine. Tonight's routine is going to be featuring some new products that I am going to be introducing to my channel that, you know, new to you guys that I've started using. Some is also going to be like a reintroduction. Like I'm going to be showing you guys a product I used to use in the past that I'm using again right now. We're just gonna sit down, do some skincare. I have a glass of apple juice and whiskey because the party has not ended. Also, I got some of this Hollow Crunch popcorn. We're going to be doing 2 face masks tonight. So I'm gonna need some popcorn to be munching on while we do these face masks. If you are interested in sitting down, gisting with me, doing skincare, having fun, you know, just having a grand old time, please continue watching. But before we continue, please do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you all to be subscribed to the Deola Adebiyi family. Also, please don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video. I love sweets with a passion, I do. But I'm surprised. To be very honest, I'm surprised I've only taken out 1 tooth. The way I like to be eating candy and sweets and cake and ice cream. Okay, let's get started with tonight's routine. I just want to make sure this was open. Tonight's routine is going to be a little bit extra because I think we all deserve a little bit of extraness. It's the holiday season. It's time to treat yourself. It's actually Christmas the day I'm filming this video, and I spent the day with my mom. We went to the beach and that was fun. I didn't expect to have as much fun as I did, but I had a lot of fun. And then in the evening, that's tonight, I went to Bolivar with my brother. We chilled, we drank, you know, we had fun. And Christmas today was really fun. But I know that that's not the case for a lot of people. I'm sending all my love to the people that didn't have the Christmas they wanted, that didn't have the Christmas of their dreams, that maybe couldn't spend their Christmas due to quarantine, maybe couldn't, you know, spend Christmas due to so many different personal family reasons. Believe me, I get it. We are starting the routine by washing our face. I'm going to be using the Beauty Formulas Detox Charcoal Cleanser. I have been using this cleanser for years now and it still remains one of my favorite cleansers of all time. So I am going to go wash my face in the bathroom and then I'll be right back. Alright, I am back. I have washed my face and I've even moved on to the next step. Right now I have the Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask on my face right now. I have spoken about this mask so many times, so many times. I doubt you guys want to hear me talking about this mask again, but this is a really great exfoliating mask that takes no prisoners at all. Every time I use this mask, I feel like I'm a whole new person. I'm a whole new Deola Adebiyi. It's really good because I have realized as I've gotten older, oh my god, I sound old. As I have gotten older, I realized that my skin isn't turning over the way it should. So I've noticed that I have to exfoliate a bit more than usual. Why do I have mosquitoes? What's going on? I've noticed that I have to exfoliate a little more than usual, and this bad boy allows me to exfoliate a little more without exfoliating all the time. So just by using this 1/2 a week, my skin is left looking smooth, nice and glowy. Right now I'm going to go rinse this mask off my face and then we'll get into, I believe, the fun part of my routine, because you guys have already seen these products before, but I'm about to introduce and reintroduce some old faves and some new faves as well. I just finished rinsing the mask off my face and I look really nice and smooth, but I don't want to keep this for too long because my face is going to dry out and we do not want that. We are going to move into our next product, which is a toner. Now you guys know that I have been talking about the Face Facts Cleansing Toner, which has papaya extract, and I really like that toner because it's a really nice neutralizing toner. Like, it's really in the middle. It's not like, it doesn't contain any active, so it's not going to really do anything, but it is really great for prepping your skin for the next step. Now the toner has been out of stock for quite some time and I do not know why. Face Facts / Beauty Formulas, what's going on? my favorite toners out of stock. I was in the supermarket minding my own business, looking through the beauty aisle, and then I saw this. This is the Simple Soothing Facial Toner, 100% alcohol free. I was like, oh, I know Simple. I've used Simple before. I really like Simple products. So I decided that I would give this toner a go, and I really like it. This is a really great toner to prepare your skin for the next step. It also has witch hazel, and that's really funny because witch hazel hasn't been a product that I'm very open to using. I've seen a lot of conflicting reports about witch hazel, and whenever I see conflicting reports about a skincare product, I just tend to stay away from it. I don't like Wala, I don't like Adainu, and my skin seems to be doing fine. I don't know if it's the percentage of witch hazel. Maybe it doesn't have like a really high percentage of witch hazel, which is why my skin is okay with it, but I really like the toner. It just gets the job done, and it makes my skin feel so nice and smooth. Next, we are going to be using our first serum. This is the Uaiko Shangri-La Elixir. Do you guys remember in a video that I was talking that a skincare brand sent me a serum to try out, and it contained hyaluronic acid and orange blossom? This is the serum. So they sent me a sample, and I liked it so much that they gave me another free bottle. Thank you so much, Uaiko. And they actually gave me the serum in the proper bottle now, so I was really excited when I got this. I love this product. This is a hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid, so instantly as I use that, it's like a gush of water, a gush of cool water to the skin. That feels very nice, and I'm gonna take another sip of my drink right now. Next, we are going to move into retinol. Now I'm a big girl of 30. I need to include retinol in my skincare routine so I can keep looking young and fresh, if you know what I mean. I've been using retinol, and retinol is a long game. You won't see the results of retinol as soon as you think you'll see it. I think the effects of retinol, you don't even see it. You see it like months and months, and you have to be consistent. And to be honest, I have not been consistent with this retinol, so this is me trying my best to be as consistent as possible with my retinol. I even have a new product from this brand that is coming up. I can't wait for you guys to see it. But yeah, I take a little bit of my retinol. I'll just sit and absorb into the skin. So right now I am going to go and get my second and third mask. I know I said I'm using 2 masks in this video. I lied, I'm using 3. Well, the third one, it's not technically a mask. I am going to be using the Face Facts Brightening Sheet Mask and the Beauty Formulas Hemp Beauty Gel Patches. I love these 2 products together. They just work. These are really good for moisturizing my under eyes. You guys know I have really dry under eyes. These organic hemp oil eye patches have been really helping me to infuse some much needed moisture into my under eyes. I don't think I have to talk much about this baby. I've spoken about this bad boy right here on my channel so many times. They've actually been in the fridge all this time, so they're gonna be really nice and cool and soothing to my skin. These gel patches are so hard to open, but this is so soothing to my under eyes right now. My eyes are a little tired. I should be asleep, but I'm filming the video. Ooh, this feels so good. Ever have the opportunity to put your sheet mask or your eye mask or any mask in the fridge, even for as little as 5 minutes before it goes on your face? It's gonna make a really nice difference, especially if it's like after a night out like tonight. Like, ooh. A sheet mask is basically a serum in a sheet form. I like the idea of sheet mask. They make me feel so nice and bougie. What I like about using a sheet mask after using my retinol is that it kind of helps to push the retinol into my skin. It helps to like kind of trap it in there. So I just like the idea of using a sheet mask with my retinol. I also like to take like the serum down to my neck, to my chest area as well, and I also like to rub it on my hands. Meanwhile, my nails are gone. And one of the great things about jobs I've always kind of had, even though my jobs have always had like some kind of K-leg all the time, but I've always liked the fact that many of the jobs I've worked have always kind of given me some sort of flexibility with the way I look and the way I present myself. So I can always go to work with dyed hair, kind of edgy outfits, and it makes me happy that I have a place I can express and be myself, you know? Usually people associate skincare with wine, but I don't really associate anything with skincare. I do skincare with whiskey, with wine, with popcorn, anything goes. 2020 has been that chaotic motherfucking year. Even though this year has just been up and down, up and down, I'm really happy that I'm alive. I'm really happy that my family's alive. Even though like so much bad has happened, I can still pinpoint the little good that has happened and come out of this year. I moved into my own place, which is still blowing my motherfucking mind. I still have a job. I have been able to keep a job. And I think I have fallen in love. So 2020 doesn't seem to be shaping up to be that bad of a year, to be very honest, for me. Sometimes when I do this, the eye patches like to fall down. So sometimes I have to push them back, like, go back to where you're coming from. I also like the idea of putting a sheet mask over my gel eye patches, so that kind of traps the gel patches in place, even though it does still sometimes slip down. Don't let anyone make you feel bad for not accomplishing anything this year. This year was a shit show for everybody. So please, if you're seeing everybody's roundup posts and everybody's having a good day, everybody's celebrating this and celebrating that, and you don't have anything to celebrate, let me tell you, you have one thing to celebrate. The fact that you made it. The fact you're alive. The fact that today, as you're watching this video, you still exist. So you might think you have nothing, you know, important to celebrate. Corona might have done you a number. Just remember, the fact that you're still here is something worthy to celebrate. If you're watching this video with a drink, if you're watching this video with food, if you're watching this video doing anything, here's to you. Cheers to you. Cheers to 2020. Fuck you 2020. Go back to where you came from. Let me sing my favorite Christmas song for you guys. What is my favorite Christmas song? I know a lot of Christmas songs off the top of my head, but I don't know all of them by heart. I know the choruses, I know the first lines, but I do not know like the full song, so I guess I won't be singing for you guys anymore. Let me wash that sugar down with alcohol. Let's remove this mask and reveal what is underneath. I look so shiny and so glistening. Ooh, it feels so nice and cooling on my skin. Remember when I said I'm going to be reintroducing an old favorite? Well, this is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I used to use this moisturizer a couple of years ago, and then I moved on to another moisturizer. I can't even remember. And I got this moisturizer at the same time I got this. I was like, you know what? Let me get the moisturizer again. You know, I fell in love with this. I was really looking for a moisturizer that had no actives. I already have my Banish vitamin C cream, which is a really great day cream, but I was looking for a night cream that would pair nicely with my retinol and with the next product I'm about to use. I wouldn't be too heavy on my skin. People that love this moisturizer will tell you that this moisturizer leaves you feeling really nice and refreshed and leaves you with a matte finish. It is the perfect daytime moisturizer for oily skin girls, but I'm using this at night because again, it has no actives. So I was looking for a moisturizer that would pair well with the big actives that I have in my routine. Skin looking beautiful. Last but not the least, and this is a new product that I am introducing to the fam, this is the Inky List Tranexamic Acid Night Treatment. Yes. If I have any two skin issues, it's hyperpigmentation and congestion. I get really congested, textured skin, especially here on the left side right here. If you look closer, you'll see bumps I have a little bumps right there. So I have decided to really tackle my hyperpigmentation with this baby right here. So I've read about this acid, and apparently this acid is really good at targeting dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and it also helps to improve the appearance of scarring. So you're supposed to use this after your moisturizer, which is what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna do 2 pumps. It's a gel formula. Here we go. Alright guys, that is it. I am done with my nighttime routine. If you have any question about any of the products I use, please let me know and I'll do my very best to answer them. Leave me a comment below and I will reply you. I hope this video brought you a little joy, a little hope, and I hope it made you smile just a little bit, tiny bit. Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and happy new year. I love you and I wish you the very, very best in this wonderful new year. Goodbye.